There you go, guys. This is just a sort of 4-pin to 4-pin adapter. So obviously you can see here what it's going to allow you to do is if you have like a female, this is like a male. If you're like a female, it's going to plug into here and turn into like a male. So handy cable to have if you've already run the cables and you put them like the wrong way around and you don't want to pull it out and rerun it, you can just use it's like this at the end. Or if you have some sort of cable where it's like a mismatch and you need to get a female to be like a male, you can use this little cable here. 4-pin aviation, there you go, mainly used for obviously cameras and stuff. So hopefully this little cable helps people out.